Hey everyone, are you looking for a small, lightweight camper? Or seeing some of these cool Sunrays going down the street and wondering what's inside? In today's episode, we're discussing the full Sunray series by Sunset Park RV, so stick with me. Okay, first and foremost, the smallest of their lineup. This is the Sunray 109. It's only 1,475 pounds. It's only 12 feet long, and one of the biggest things about this one is a three-way fridge. They come in pine, they come in grotto, so whether you went that retro or the modern look, they've got it all. For floor plans, specs, and thorough walkthroughs, check out the actual tours of each camper online. But right now, we're just going to walk through and check these out individually. Starting with the 109 out back with the full kitchen, the microwave, the three-way fridge. This comes with that 270 awning. On the inside, we have that pull-out bed, which turns into a sofa, pulls out into a full-size bed with a 12-volt fan over top, 5,000 BTU AC inside with a couple lights, couple windows, and plenty of room to relax and do what we need to do. Every single one of the Sunset Parks come with a 100-watt solar panel standard. All of the Sunrays have the sport package on them with the off-road tire package. The 109 has outside storage. They all have outside showers with hot and cold water, 6-gallon water heaters. And then we're going into one of my favorite floor plans by these guys, and this is a brand new 2026 floor plan. This is a 119. It's only 1,795 pounds and 13 foot 7 inches long. And this one offers a whole bunch of storage, and it's quite basic. The 119 is a little wider and a little taller and a little heavier. But I'll tell you, the small differences make up a lot for the interior space. On the rear galley, we have a pass-through cabinet up top. We have a little pass-through kitchen area with a screen or fabric, microwave, under-sink storage, and a 12-volt fridge with under fridge storage. We have a solid step, double step entrance to get in, a permanent bed with storage underneath, a closet with space to put a porta potty, and an option for a cassette toilet, overhead storage, 12-volt fan, some awesome interior storage with that overhead shelf as well, 5,000 BTU AC, screen door, and more. So if you don't want the 109, the 119 is just a little too small, and you're looking at more of a bathroom, but you still want that outside kitchen, right here it is. This is a brand new and revised 129. This one comes with 2 beds inside, the desk option, a brand new bathroom, and still has that full outside kitchen. It's only 2,110 pounds. It's only 15 and a half feet long. One of the fan feature favorites on the 129 was always the outside storage over here. But we also have the full outside kitchen with that double door with a nice sized freezer. Yeah, I love that storage compartment. Outside shower, 2-burner stove, overhead storage, walkable roof with the roof rack and the hands-free electric awning. We have a double step, solid step entrance to get in, screen door. And this is a brand new revised floor plan with that front desk and a couple stools to come with it. And that beautiful little corner wet bath, equipped with a shower and a toilet. Right here we have the Murph bed that flips up with some drawers underneath and a spot for a dinette. We have a 12-volt fan up top and this awesome flip-down bunk. But if you don't need it, you don't need it, and you can keep it right up there and use it for all that overhead storage. The 129 is an awesome floor plan, been around for a long time, just a little tweaked out for 2026. 2-inch ball, manual tongue jack, 20-pound propane tank, and more. This Amish-built, Amish-owned company even offers a little tiny toy hauler in their Sunray series. This is only 15 foot 5 inches long and 2,250 pounds. This is nearly the twin of the 129 with a little bit heavier of a bed and a ramp system in the back. The 139T used to come with a man door in the back instead of that ramp. And it also used to come with a Murph style bed instead of this Happy Jack system bed. The Happy Jack is a queen size bed up top. With a push of a button, it lowers down on an electric lift system. Over here on the side, we have this awesome outside kitchen. We are a little close to our neighbor though, so I can't open up that door all the way. But we have some overhead cabinets, sink, 2-burner stove, and under sink storage. 6-gallon gas water heater. Some storage up top with our shelf for our bed. 190 watts of solar up top on the roof. And a full countertop up front. With a toilet in the closet. The Happy Jack bed comes all the way down to go right on top of that couch system if we want it. Or we can take the couch out and just use that bed. We have the outside shower, an awesome grate on the front for a generator, and more. And here is the biggest of the Sunrays series, and this one is the only floor plan that doesn't offer that outside kitchen. Everything is inside. It's only 2,260 pounds, and it's only 16 foot, 2 inches long for total overall length. This fan favorite has an awesome shape with all the extra options that are needed. We have a full-size spare tire, pass-through storage on both sides with access to the tank and underbed storage access. This has a sport package with 235/75R 15-inch tires, double step solid step entrance to get in, and a full-size dinette up front with storage underneath both sides of the benches. We have a 5,000 BTU side mount AC, full kitchen with 2-burner stove, sink, microwave, overhead storage, and more. We have a full-size bed with overhead storage, under bed storage, and a complete wet bath with that skylight. And yes, it'll vent because we have room outside of right above the door and a 12-volt fan above. And on the outside of the 149, we have that beautiful roof rack up top with the hands-free electric awning and a 190 watt solar panel, which is a little bit bigger than their standard 100 watt. Over here on the side, this shows 6-gallon water heater and all the extra options. All right, we've reached the end of the video, and as always, I greatly appreciate you for sticking around. If you guys want to keep on coming back and seeing some fun videos, smash that subscribe button because we have a lot more coming, including a comparison of all the toy haulers by Sunset Park RV. So smash that subscribe button, come back next week, and I'll see you all soon. Bye, everybody.